countless hours in the kitchen with John, learning the craft and the culture of the kitchen, but within a context of cooking with consciousness, really bringing awareness to the act of cooking and what they can bring to us. And that's where the Wholefood Kitchen comes in. So very much, if you look at the term whole foods, is a description about using foods as close as possible to their natural state, where the processing is done in a way which keeps or maintains or enhances the integrity of the food. But there was also a big education around the energy of food and the vitality of food, while also seeing cooking as a way of engaging with a process and connecting with wholeness overall. So whole foods is not relating just to the foods, but to our way of being, who we are in the world, connection with the world, connection with ourselves, a whole world that opens up when we consider cooking in that way, and our engagement with food, our relationship with food and cooking.